friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Gigabyte's two 31.5-inch 4K gaming LCDs M32U and G32QC. So friends, the M32U is a 31.5-inch 4K gaming liquid crystal display with a refresh rate of 144Hz and reaction time of 1 millisecond that supports high-speed drawing, refresh rate of 144Hz and response time of 1 millisecond. And friend, the liquid crystal panel makes use of Super Speed IPS system and has a 6-axis color management which allows for an accurate color gamut display to be achieved. And friend, furthermore, it complies with the VESA Display HDR 400 standard, allowing you to view images that are natural and realistic in appearance. And friend, the key features are as follows: brightness of 350 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio 1000:1, horizontal or vertical viewing angle is 178 degree, color gamut DCI-P 390%, sRGB 123%, display color 10 byte and display color 10 bit, display port 1.4:1, headphone jack into 1, USB 3.0 into 3, USB type C, a 3-watt speaker, and so on are some other interfaces are on the device. And friend, the external measurements are 715.3 mm in width, 244.3 mm in depth, 585.3 mm in height with a weight of 10.35 kg. And friend, the G32QC model is a 31.5-inch WQHD gaming liquid crystal display with a refresh rate of 165Hz and a response time of 1 millisecond. And friend, it has a LG display. Liquid crystal display panel is VA system with a curvature of 1500R and complies with VESA Display HDR 400. And friend, it has the brightness of 350 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio of 3000:1, viewing angle horizontal or vertical is 178 degree, color gamut DCI-P 393% and sRGB 121%, display color 8 bit, display synchronization technology AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, and interfaces are as follow: HDMI 2.0 into 2, DisplayPort 1.2 into 1, earphone jack into 1, USB 3.0 into 2, and other similar interface. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.